It has a Whipple Supercharger on it, but it doesn't have anything done internally to the motor.
So
just the Whipple.
So how much power is it making?
Over 600.
Yeah. What do YouTube? It's your boy Bright. Back with a new video. I'm going with my dad to go look at this Durango SRT that's supercharged. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see if I get approved. If I do, then I get it. You know what I'm saying? If I don't get approved, then we're just gonna wait until December to get one. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see. Let me know if y'all like the hair. I might change all the black ones to brown. We're gonna see. Saying water saying rate the hair. Let me know.
Your first time here? Or?
Yeah, it definitely is. My first time, but won't be my last.
Huh? Oh, you guys local or?
Yeah, we live in.
Oh, okay. Watch your step here because there's cords all over the floor.
What? It's a Lamborghini.
So what?
It's a Lamborghini.
Just be careful walking because there's charges.
Are you selling these motorcycles too?
Yeah, that's for sale.
Would you let me get this, Dad?
Huh?
Would you let me buy one of these?
What?
This.
Yeah, what about it?
Would you let me buy one?
Let you buy one?
Yeah.
Where would you want to buy that?
Cheap on gas.
Oh, sure. It's cheap and killing too.
It's an LC 500.
Too many crazy drivers down here in Florida.
Yeah, Florida's not safe.
You don't need that.
I'm telling you.
This is my dream car right here,
Not
Dad.
careful for this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got it in the building next door.
When you become a rock star.
Yeah, that car right there goes for like 60, maybe no, 100,000.
Baby Josh could buy one.
Yeah, baby Josh gonna be in the NFL.
This is it. Now this has a Whipple Supercharger on it, but it doesn't have anything done internally to the motor.
So
just the Whipple.
So how much power is it making?
Over 600.
Okay.
I don't know the exact because I don't have the dyno on it.
Yeah.
But it's over 600. I know that for sure.
That's over 600 horsepower.
It's very fast.
Yes.
You want to walk through here and see the inside of it?
Yeah.
I'll show you the inside.
This is what I need right here. What you think, Dad?
Nice. That's a lot of money.
So why I gotta do the test drive it?
We can test drive it.
You don't test drive cars?
We don't test drive cars. I can tell you it's fast, there ain't nothing wrong with it. It's serviced. And we're putting new tires on it too. Whoever buys it, we're putting new tires on it.
Okay.
Because the tires are like 330 seconds.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with them, but they're on towards the end of them because we have the car inspected. Watch your head here. I got to grab this phone. Don't grab this phone. Spam.
Get too many spams.
What is that?
2 Ds.
Yeah?
Battery was dead, but I'm back. What you think, Dad?
I think it's nice, but my God, the money is way too much, man.
Dad,
Yeah.
money's not my problem in life. When I tell you something, Dad, when I tell you I set my mind to something, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna do it.
This is really wrong.
Yeah. When I set my mind to something, there's nothing that can stop me. You know that.
Yeah.
I can handle these car payments.
Hmm?
I said I can handle these car payments. And they had this car for forever. Now they got somebody that wants to buy it. You know?
Yeah. They want somebody, he said want to buy it?
Yeah.
So he gonna let you know if it's
Yeah, by Monday.
by Monday, okay.
They had this car for the longest. Now when I want to see it, somebody want to buy it.
Okay.
Come on, Dad. Man. This is what I want right here, Dad. You see, that's I want this.
The whip is supercharged.
Yes.
Where are you from, Jamaica?
Yeah.
I got some Jamaican friends.
Now, we just at a random car dealership, Dodge dealership, see what they got here. I don't know what they got here. I know the one close to my house. I'm talking to the camera. I know the one close to my house has the Durango, but I don't know about this one here. We're gonna see what they got here. I'll keep y'all informed.
Any available custom fast for something? Yes, please. Any available custom fast for something?
How much is this? Oh, this one's cheap.
Huh?
It's 90,000.
90?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What year is it?
91,000.
No, it says total.
2023.
Oh, what's the miles? It's a beautiful car, though. I tell you that. So that's a beautiful car. I tell you that. Oh, there's one right here too.
20. Grab the keys for it. It's on the other side of the building. This one, honestly, if you wanted to show out, this would be something to do that because nobody has a wide body Challenger anymore.
It's like an E copyrighted. It's okay.
I will get the blue one over this door.
What blue Odell?
$10,000 less, huh?
Yeah.
Same car.
Put my Glock right here. And yeah, it's brand new.
Huh?
So this got 3,000 miles on it.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really want the Durango, but it's expensive. But then someone's looking at it right now. I'm just trying to be different. I'm trying to be bright. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to stand out. Tight shit. Tight shit. I don't know. I'm looking at the Scat Pack and I supercharge the Scat Pack, or get this Durango that's already supercharged. Like, I don't know, man. I'm just all over the place. My dread's swinging left and right. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. I'm just thinking right now what the play is. I don't know, and I'm hungry, so I'm not myself out of Snicker bar. It's a lot going on. My dreads are shaking. Like, I don't know. It'd be fun.
Huh?
So this car might be fun.
You might get a little trouble on it.
A luxury sports car.
Huh?
I saw it drives like a luxury car.
It will come over now.
That's not. This is track mode. Everything's on, right?
Yep. Trackhawk.
My life, my life, my life, my life in the sunshine.
All of the ops is opt. Passions, but curling on the couch like a casting. But the sack in the grill like we wrestling. Used to the walk be the medicine. I never wanted to ask them. My brother went got caught up at one for them kids who meddling. Niggas been rapping for years in the same place, riding the bike without pedaling.